In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Perplexity AI for content creation. So make sure to follow till the end. First, what you need to do is create a table of contents, specify your niche and what type of videos you upload. So specify your personality. I have an Instagram page, let's just say, sorry about the typo, let's just say your page is about latest earning right sources using AI, and tell ChatGPT to create a table of, or maybe a list of titles that I can schedule for the next entire month. And then you're going to be also specifying it what your upload rate is. So I upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, right? So you can also tell it to make it explaining each title and content, and simply press enter. And that is something that you're going to be doing in the start, and you can see it's going to be analyzing everything and giving you a set of titles. You can see how AI is changing the game. 2025 hottest earning trends, content overview, post introduction, the month's theme, summarize how AI revolutionizing income streams, highlight market growth stats, and tease upcoming deep dive. So you can do that, and you can see it gave you an entire backbone of the structure and how you can make the flow. So you can use it to produce a lot of content. You can also tell it to create a script of 1 minute for each of these topics, so you do not even need to write a script, right? It's going to be doing for that. And the point is, make sure to tell it should be up to date and most latest information, and make sure that you've enabled this option, which is basically, you can see in here, so we have this research and upgrade to pro, so this is going to be for that. Now make sure that you are searching from the browser. You can see you can attach your files and everything, right? So yeah, the point is, make sure that it is searching from web, everything, the source is available, and using that information you can create the videos.